Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. I'm thinking of purchasing some of the rose plants for this year, and that triggered me to do this video series on beginner gardener to understand some basics on rose gardening, types of rose plants and various varieties available in the rose market, and also what to look for when choosing the right rose plant that suits your garden. I have learned these from my few years of rose gardening and I'm still learning, but hope this helps someone who is looking to start rose gardening for the first time. Honestly, it's really overwhelming when we look at what rose plant to look, and there are like hundreds of varieties available. I would say maybe thousands of varieties available, and each plant has a different new terminology that I have never seen in my life. So it's really overwhelming. So let me start with types or categories of various rose and some example varieties. I think that will help in terms of understanding what these terms are and how to relate them in terms of what plants to look for. As I said, there are plenty of types and categories available, but let's start with three major categories, and these are based on the time period on when they existed. The number one is old garden roses. The number two is wild roses, and then number three is modern garden roses. In my next video, I'll give more details on what each category is, but I just want to give you some major categories that exist. And the next category, in my opinion, I think these are classified based on the bloom size as well as how the stem looks or how the stem grows. Polyanthus, hybrid tea, floribunda, glandiflora. These are the other major categories that I have recognized or I have seen in the rose plant tag. The next category, in my opinion, I think these are classified based on the plant size and the plant growing habit. The number one is miniature roses, and the number two is shrub roses, and number three is tree roses, and number four is climbing roses and ramblers. I know how overwhelming to learn these many new terms in rose garden world. I will share more details on these categories in my next video in the rose gardening basic video series. Hope you got some new information today and enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.